Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be going through my e.l.f. favorites. So if you want to see what products I've been loving, some of these products are new to me, so I'm going to be showing you guys some of my newer purchases that I've fallen in love with, and then some past oldies but goodies that I love and I've repurchased many a time. So if you want to see what those products are, just keep on watching. Let's go in the order that I throw on my makeup. First off, I always take a lip oil. If you guys have noticed from my get ready with me for work videos, I take a lip oil every single time, and then I go in with my brows, primer, foundation, cream products, etc. They recently came out with these lip oils on the e.l.f. site, but I had not bit the bullet yet. A lot of people say it was dupes for higher end lip oils and such. This one here is the Glow Reviver lip oil, and I thought this was so cute. I love the color. I didn't think I was gonna love the formula. I don't know, I didn't really have high expectations for this product, but honestly it surpassed my expectations. It was really good. It's a really nice thick formula. This is definitely kind of product that I would throw on overnight as a lip mask kind of vibe. I love the doe foot applicator as well. I just love these. I wish that all lip oils had this applicator because it's so quick and easy to throw on. It's just really nice and soft as well, but it gets a lot of area of the lip, so you don't have to keep dipping into the actual product. So this one here again is in pink quartz. They have a couple of different variations, but this is one of my newer products that is new to my collection. I've really been enjoying, so I just wanted to mention it here. If you've been eyeing these out on the site, definitely check them out because they're actually really good. I feel like next, naturally, I would go on to primer. I have 4 primers to talk about, which is wild. e.l.f. just has really amazing products, and it was a recent video where I noticed I was using a lot of e.l.f. and it's quickly become one of my favorite brands because they just have so many amazing things. So I actually, with this new order that I placed, I got this as a gift with purchase. This is the e.l.f. Skin Whoa Glow Broad Spectrum 30 Sun Touchable Sun Protection and Makeup Primer. So I thought that was a really interesting. A lot of people are talking about this product. Now again, this is just a travel size little moment. It was a sample size. This one here is in Sunbeam. The actual shade itself doesn't really mess or affect my skin tone at all. It is pretty light, but it ends up blending in beautifully, and the sheen that it leaves on the skin is just so stunning. So it doesn't have a strong kind of scent to it. I've just really been loving how this leaves my skin. It makes it look almost it gives this natural glow to the skin, and I've really been enjoying that. So I think this is going to be a go-to product, especially during the summertime, because of that natural glow from within look, and I can see why people are obsessed with this product. So when I get through with this, am I going to purchase a full size? Maybe, girl, because this is actually really good, and I'm pleasantly surprised by how much I like this. I also did recently purchase the e.l.f. Stay Cool Primer Stick. This is actually an in-person purchase. I was in store and I saw that they added these, and I love me some hydration, girl. Anything with hydration. I do have oily skin, but I feel even when you have oily skin, you need the hydration to your skin, girl. I love that it comes in a convenient stick form as well. It is really nice and smooth on the skin. I also did recently purchase one from LA Girl, which is a little similar, but this basically just gives you a cooling sensation to the skin. It feels like water on the face, and again, it just hydrates you. Again, another great product for the summertime. I think this is going to be such a good addition to my bag during those hot months because this just feels so nice. It's not sticky at all. It just feels really cooling, gives you a nice cooling sensation. Also wears really nicely under foundation. Really good. Doesn't really mess with your makeup products or anything. It doesn't make them go on weird or streaky or anything. This is actually really good, so it definitely blew it out of the park for me. I'm gonna keep testing this out over on TikTok, so definitely follow me over there. But yeah, so far so good with this primer as well. Now I repurchased was the Power Grip Primer. I did recently use up the 4% niacinamide, the pink primer. I always have to have these in my collection, girl. I have a couple dupes from Temu, which are really good as well, but you cannot beat the original e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It's just really good. So I recently repurchased it. I think I purchased this primer technically 3 times already because of, I feel the niacinamide, they're similar kind of vibes. So I really love this primer. Does it give me some gripping to the skin? It does. It's not as strong as the Milk Makeup Primer. I feel the stickiness to it, but it does give me some grip. So I really love that. It blends into the skin. It doesn't make my face too tacky where it's just annoying and everything's sticking to my face, but it's just just enough. that I just love reaching for this. So the way that I know, it's like when I'm doing my makeup and I don't have a specific plan, I'm just kind of reaching for products in my collection. I keep reaching for the same kind of products, and most of those products are e.l.f. So that's how I know, like, I'm loving how my makeup is looking these days when I use these products, hence why I keep reaching for them. So that's like what I've noticed, that a lot of these products are just affordable but also really good as well. This is one that's lived in my collection for years, girl. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just like, I love it. It's been living in my collection for a little too long. It's overstayed its welcome, but I just keep reaching for this. I just feel like this is amazing for filling in my pores. I just feel like set when I throw this on my skin. I mainly focus it on my T-zone area, which is why maybe I haven't used it up completely. I've seen people like throw it all over the face. I don't know why. I always feel compelled to throw this in the T-zone area. That's where I get the most oily. I also feel that it does mattify me a little bit as well. So yeah, this primer is also really good. If you've been eyeing the putty primer on the site, I have a couple of different variations. They also have the acne fighting one at Marshall's, which I did see the other day. I was really tempted because it's green and I can use it in one of my colorful looks, but I already have this one, and I have the glowy one as well. They also have a mattifying one. They have many putty primers, girl, now. So yeah, definitely check this out. It's really good as well. Next, I'll move on to foundation and concealer. So we have the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. This is no surprise. I've repurchased this, I think, like 5 times already. It's just, I cannot explain. And I've talked about this so many times. In the beginning, when I first used it, I did not like it. I gave it away. I just was not vibing with it, but now I feel myself reaching for it over and over because I love the finish that it gives on the skin. I love how it wears. I just love how everything just meshes together when I wear this product. So I use mine in the shade medium 330W, and this is just the shade that I've been purchasing all these years. So again, this is just their Camo CC cream. It is color correcting, full coverage. It has a natural finish, which I definitely agree with. It has collagen, it has peptides and niacinamide. It also does have sunscreen in it, so it has SPF 30. It's just so good. So like when I go traveling or whatever, when I need my makeup to look good, this is what I reach for. So this is just an amazing product. I definitely recommend, if you haven't tried it, check it out because it's just so good, and it comes in various colors. So yeah, I think that shade works out for me rather well. I also did repurchase my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the matte finish. I really love this. You guys know I use it all the time. However, I didn't find my shade, so I ended up picking up medium sand, but I think I'm medium beige, and this shade is a little too light for me. So I don't know. I'm still going to use it up, but I haven't been reaching for it as often because it is so light that I don't want my under eyes to be super like stark white. I don't know. So we'll see. But yeah, definitely I go for one that's more on the yellow side. This is not terrible, but it's like rather light, girl, as you can see. Actually, a funny story. I think I went to Target or Walmart. I think it was Walmart. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but they actually started like locking everything up now. So all the makeup is in like glass cases and such. So I was looking at this concealer, and I also was picking up a couple other products from e.l.f. And I had to call somebody to come open the little, you know, the little door. So when the guy was there, I was like looking, and he was like kind of just staring at me like, hurry up, girl. So I was like, oh my god, I don't see my shade. And there was none with my shade. So I was like, okay. So I just grabbed whatever was closest, which was medium sand. I just didn't want to waste his time. So kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I'm just going to use it up. It is a little light, but I'm still going to repurchase my actual shade. But this one's like pretty good. My original shade, I used it up I think twice already. I repurchased this product, and it's so good. This specific shade is not for me, so I'm like sad about that, but I just wanted to mention it because I've used it so much and I've talked about it so much. I love the formula. If you get your actual shade, you're really gonna enjoy it. And I love the big doe foot applicator as well. I think I used it for a video, like for my get ready with me for work videos, so we'll see. I can make it work, but girl, just the shade's throwing me off. But the actual product is amazing. Let's move on to cream products. We have the e.l.f. Camo liquid blushes. I did go ahead and purchase a new shade. I just really love this product. It is a little bit goes a long way. I'm sure you guys have heard this across TikTok and Instagram. It's just everybody saying that because it's true. Just a little dot goes a long way. It's reminding me of the Juvia's Place liquid blushes that everybody's talking about. They say the same thing. They're super pigmented, as well as the Rare Beauty liquid blushes as well are the same. So yeah, it's that kind of formula where you have to take a little bit goes a long way. We have the shade Pinky Promise, as well as the one in Suave Mauve. These are stunning. And again, I really love this one so much that I had to repurchase a more neutral tone. They're just so good. I love the doe foot applicator. It's really easy to use as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you. This one here is in Pinky Promise, such a beautiful tone. And then we have the shade Suave Mauve. Love them both, girl. For different occasions, this is definitely more like everyday vibes for me. This is like a cute little vibe that I could have thrown on today. It's just cute and it's gonna be perfect for summer as well. So ooh, these are so good. So if you haven't tried them, girl, they are nice. They are worth the hype. They're super pigmented, so be careful. Take a light hand, girl. Amazing. Love the color range that they came out with as well. Next, let's tackle the eyeliner. So this is one of my favorite eyeliners at the moment, the e.l.f. H2O Proof eyeliner pen. They did switch up the packaging. It looks a little different, but the actual product is still the same. It is so black. It's jet black, and it doesn't lose its pigment as you're throwing on a wing. It also just lasts throughout the day. So this is like, again, one of my favorite liners at the moment. Super affordable, girl. I love the length of the actual like applicator. It's just so quick and easy to use as well. I love it. And I love how my wings look when I throw this liner on. So if you're a wing person like me, I think you're really going to enjoy this. Again, it doesn't lose its ink as you're going through the wing process. You know, if you do wings, it's annoying when they run out of ink and you're just like shaking it and it's like nothing's coming out. So annoying. So yeah, this is not that. This is amazing. Definitely check it out. Super affordable as well. Everything from e.l.f. is rather affordable, but its actual quality is worth it as well. So yeah, I've been really loving this, and I did repurchase. This was also a gift with purchase, the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara. I have purchased this before and I really love it. It does come with an hourglass shaped wand, which looks like so. It's just so good. Formula is amazing. So once this little mini is gone, I'm definitely going to purchase the big size again. But girl, if you've been looking for a mascara to give you volume to your lashes, I think you're really going to love this. And lastly, for my favorites, we have the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. So this is new to my collection as well. This is new in general. It just came out. So I knew I had to get my hands on this product as soon as possible because I love the Power Grip Primer. I knew I was going to love the Power Grip Setting Spray. Girl, if you don't love a dewy kind of look to your skin, I don't think you're going to enjoy this. So stay away from this if that's you. You want a matte finish, that's great. But sometimes I'm looking for a dewy finish to my skin, and girl, this is giving me like coconut setting spray vibes, like their old coconut setting spray. I don't know if they still sell that. I still love that. It was so good. But this one here just gives you the same exact dewy look to the skin. Don't overdo it because you can definitely look extremely dewy. So just give yourself a little like mist, but not like a drench, you know? So yes, this is so good. So if you're looking for that dewy finish, especially I keep saying for the summertime, but that's when the glowiness comes out, the tan comes out. You just want to look nice and natural kind of vibes. I think you're really gonna love this product. In general, if you love looking dewy, check it out, girl. It's so good. If you love yourself more of a matte finish, I don't think you're gonna enjoy this. Does it really set my face and make my makeup last? We're gonna try that out on TikTok and we're gonna do a wear test over there, but so good. Love it. Also love the color. Everything about this product is so good. So that was the last favorite from today's video. There's so many others I probably forgot to mention, but e.l.f. honestly, they have so many amazing things. Check them out. They're super affordable. I hope you guys found some new products from this video. Are you going to try anything out? Are any of these products your favorite? Or is there anything I need to try? Let me know so I can place another order. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.